Hi folks, it's been a while and I can only apologise for that. I've been like quite busy with work and just life in general, but I've finally gotten around to welding this in. I was making an excuse about being busy. I have been busy, but if I'm perfectly honest, I've been bricking it because I've done some test welds with the old bit of plate, and as you can see, it's not amazing. I was melting holes in it and it was really like putting me off attempting to work on the car. And I've come out today and I've done a few of those little welds, and it seemed to be working alright, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to bite the bullet and I'm just going to go for it. And well, you can see it's not very clear. These welds here, that one's alright, that one's pretty good, that one's not amazing, this one's not too bad, that one's alright. There's two there which don't seem to have kind of taken, so I'm going to just grind those off, those two little ones, and then obviously going to make my way up each side. Well, not each side, I'm going to do a couple of spots and then like bend this into place, because it doesn't fit 100%. I've tried to get it to fit as best as possible, and then obviously just bend, tweak it, and weld it in place. So yeah, we're getting there. There's the welding gear down there. The welding machine is about 700 years old. It works, which is the main thing. So I think what I'll do, I'm just going to set the camera up and you can watch me destroy this car even more. Yes. I'm quite pleased with how it's working out. It's just it's taken its sweet ass time. Anyway, let's get on with it. So we're going to get on with grinding some of these little welds out. I'll bring you in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Try not to trip over on all these cables. Get on with a bit of welding now. The welder stopped working. It's not pushing the wire out. I'm gonna have to stop. This is what was worrying me though. As you can see, it's quite hot and it does melts the plate, and it's not too clever down here along this edge. But I'm pretty pleased with these welds. This, I don't know what happened here. That's just kind of like a bit of a scruffy. I'll just get rid of that. But yeah, you can see it did start to melt just there. It's not, the quality's not very good, but I just need to take my time and work through it slowly. But we're getting there. About time. Right, I'm gonna just crack on, try to sort this, try to fix the welding machine because it's stopped running the cable through. Yeah, so I'm not going to record me doing that because that's not very interesting, is it? Yeah, just a quick one, little update. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you've got any hints or tips when it comes to welding, probably the biggest tip is like get someone else to do it that knows what they're doing. But yeah, if you've got any hints or tips, put it in the message. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. That would be amazing. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon, hopefully. Thanks. Bye.